남편이 아침을 만들어주고 있어요.
야.
아침 만들고 있어서 이래요. It's weird. He knows it's coming.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Yay!
Let's see how fast you eat it up. Your favorite meal.
Vad sitter du och jobbar med för saker?
Har ni skrivit säsongdyr?
One. I think it took 20 seconds.
Du blir poängläggare.
Nej, jag har inte programmet.
Good job. Good job. Good job.
Sås. Bittersås. French bitter.
Texas, what did you do upstairs? Why are you pretending that you don't know? Cutie. 텍사스 이렇게 발, 귀여워. 텐션. 이제 없지. That's it? Disappointing. 지금 여기 텍사스 발 하나 이렇게 드는 거 귀여운 척 하는 거래요. 그래, 우리가 음식 더 주니까. 맞습니까?
No.
No, when it started I was thinking it's going to make an omelette or something.
This is also, I didn't expect this.
And I got excited.
저희는 산책을 나갈 겁니다. 아침 먹고 그래도 선이 좀 나와서 산책을 가볼 거예요. Oh, you excited? Texas, we're not going that way. Come down.
Kom Tiki. Han har ingenting.
You're not cold. What are you shaking? Excited shake? Oh, insane. This was how it was last night? Oh.
And the road.
Oh. Oh.
We need to refill the bird
Yes.
feeders.
Oh, let's.
We have to remember because otherwise Janne is going to be...
Really?
It's very important with the birds.
Oh, really?
Oh, right, you did something. What was this for?
So we
Okay.
had to dig it up.
And what's gonna be here then? Gonna put the concrete.
Concrete?
Do you think it's going to be cold?
No, he will run around.
You think so?
It's not that
God.
cold today.
Texas maybe.
Unhealthy.
Loser.
No.
Yes, yes. Correct.
This road is pretty.
Lotion.
With
Yeah, you used to be very close.
There was big trees.
Oh,
This is much better.
this is like us in Yeoncheon. We got all the view
Yes.
because they cut down all the trees for us. I mean, not for us, but...
Such a difference when they do that.
Remember our photo shoot?
Oh, right.
On the jetty.
Stove there.
Where?
Fireplace.
Oh,
Straight in there. It looks so nice.
there's a fireplace?
Yeah.
He's busy.
Texas! Come here!
Oh, you're waiting for me? Oh. 아.
For you guys. You can get year round.
My plan was to go that way, but then it's very wet in the...
Oh. This is. Should we
Good
be
thing
on
I
the
called
sun?
him.
Oh.
Någon kopplet här. Har de in bakgrunds...
목가적인 스웨덴 풍경입니다. 너무 예쁜데? 겨울인데 이렇게 색깔이 알록달록해서 너무 좋네요. Hello. Hey. He's looking at us. Oh, why are you so close? Are you waiting for us? 말이 이렇게 가까이에 있네요. 나를 위해. Big dog, small dog.
Yeah, what an interesting one. I didn't know they made these. Yeah, electric.
Oh.
Oh, they are here.
Hmm?
Those with the big horns.
Oh, what do you call that?
Vad heter såna? Highland cats. innanför raden där.
Pretty house. 여기 항상 지나갈 때마다 예쁘다고 하는 집이에요.
Okej.
Så att man går där, det är så han kör hem till sig.
I think so we're gonna... Oh, you are getting something. Like guest house?
Or storage.
Ja, men det är så en guest house.
눈꽃 같아. It's kind of mysterious vibe. Do you agree?
It's beautiful with this glistening in the tree. Water.
Do you have to do it every day?
Almost.
They eat that fast.
When it's cold and snow, they eat a lot.
Oh,
So then they can't find anything else.
oh, that's true.
And here are bowls, but
Oh,
enough for now. Bowls with fat and seeds.
I can see it next time.
I don't know if we have any, but
Oh, that was quick. Oh,
Two of them.
이거 주자마자 바로 왔어요. Oh, run away.
här emellan.
Oh yeah.
They're under the leaves a little bit, I guess.
These are
Just a couple.
edible?
Yeah.
Oh,
Delicious.
wow.
Like they are very wet.
Yeah.
Acorn. It's for the squirrel.
Nej.
Texas is licking the tree and marking. Not the typical mushroom shape.
These did.
It looks like it's torn. Like randomly. 이게 되게 폭신폭신해요. 이거 봐. 응? 응? 스펀지 같아. 여기 뱀 구멍이래요. 이런 폭신폭신한데 이거 봐. 뱀이 산대요. 여기도 뱀홀. 무서워. 도망가자.
Those are common in December. I googled.
You can find a few more. Then we can have a sandwich. They are not that as good though.
They are good.
Yellow ones are the best.
Really? Where are you going? Huh?
Here.
Mm-hmm.
And make lunch.
Yeah.
And it's not strong.
Okay. Hello. Alexis, open the door. I like that he's the first one to enter. Oh, we are back.
So
We
I
are
think
back.
he's going to stay outside and talk to.
Yeah. Walk around.
So
Han plockar upp mig här. Och frågan när han passerar ut.
vad säger?
Ikväll.
아까딴 버섯으로 안토니 저희 점심을 파스타를 만들어줬어요. 짜란. 얘는 엄마 거.
Super tasty, Anton. And also you can feel the heat.
Yeah, slightly.
Creamy.
Milk.
The creamy part is from mushroom or milk?
Milk.
Pasta.
Jag tror inte.
Nu kommer det något krypande här. Han kommer inte kunna heller för det är som chili.
Men vadå? Jaffa? Jaffa?
Vad är det?
Ja, vad dåligt.
Yeah, man.
This feels weird because we're so used to this.
I'm on your side.
This is pretty good. But I think I can switch this into a form without any big issues. I think I can switch this now.
Ooh!
13 då.
Varför tar du typ 6?
Men jag vill ha plus 6.
Easy. What? Oh my god. This is your second roll.
Yeah. And nobody watched.
Something.
Something stinks in suburbia.
Like this. You know what I mean?
Back at you. Oh, this is going to be hard for you, Anton, maybe.
Can you do this? You have an evil.
Yes. No, it's good for me too.
No, I got double.
2, 2.
Oh!
What the hell?
Vad hade du under?
10, 3, no.
Oh,
actually
that would be really
That was
nice.
good. Winner mixes.
Okej.
Oh, that was easy.
Come on. Ska vi göra igen då? Det är nog väldigt, väldigt bra på slutet.
Oh! You have it already, but 2 kvar.
Ja, men det är inte bättre att ta sexorna då?
Five.
Oh! That is stylish when you do that.
Ja.
This one?
Yeah. So it's not...
Jag sa så, jag gillade din TikTok så tog jag upp den och visade mig på sin TikTok.
Vad?
När han pratade rätt.
Det är inte samma. Får du klubben?
Fast det är ju samma sås.
Likadant.
Mycket bröd. Vilket vill du ha? Lite hårdmjölk.